Hey guys, I'm Dr Ingky and welcome to Skynfyx, the platform whereby we review products and see whether these products actually work as advertised. Now in today's video, we'll be talking about Dr Dermis, which is a brand created by Bioessence. Now Dr Dermis provides dermatological grade skincare products for all skin types, especially even for sensitive skin. First up, there are so many serums in the market, and sometimes these serums can be pretty confusing. Now in this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 dermatological grade Dr Dermis serums that can actually help you with your skin. All 5 serums that I'll be reviewing today from Dr Dermis contains the Derma Mimic Complex. The Derma Mimic Complex is co-developed by Dermatologist to mimic your skin's natural skin barrier. Now, a healthy skin barrier helps lock in moisture in your skin and prevent your skin from becoming sensitive or becoming a little bit irritated. So the Derma Mimic Complex from Dr Dermis helps repair your skin barrier and strengthen your skin barrier for extra protection. Now, each of the 5 serums that I will be reviewing today are for different skin types, but at the end of the day, they're all to achieve a healthier skin barrier with your Dr Dermis serums. Now, the first serum is a double power vitamin concentrate. It contains 5% niacinamide and 5% panthenol. Niacinamide works to produce your skin's natural ceramide. Now, ceramide is this particular layer which sits on top of your skin, which strengthens your skin barrier. And panthenol is actually a soothing ingredient. Now, as the day goes by and you're exposed to a lot of toxins and a lot of nasty stuff in the air, your skin gets easily irritated. Hence, a combination of both panthenol and niacinamide helps reduce that particular skin irritation on your skin, and at the same time stimulate your skin to repair itself. Now, on top of that, it also contains sodium hyaluronic for hydration, because the dry skin leads to worsening skin barrier. And it also contains ceramide 3, which is a natural ceramide found in your skin for instant protection, especially when you have a damaged or irritated skin barrier. When Dr Dermis ran their own clinical trials, they noted that 56% of the people using this particular serum saw their damaged skin repair in just under 4 weeks, and 42% reported a reduction in skin irritation. So generally, you will use this serum once or twice a day on your skin after a cleanser. Now, the serum itself is quite aqueous and quite thick. And this particular thickness actually helps coat your entire skin and protect your skin from further irritation. And do not forget to apply a nice layer of moisturizer over the top. And to make sure there's no hypersensitivity towards this particular serum, this serum is hypoallergenic and paraben free. So in conclusion, the double vitamin concentrate serum is great for someone with irritated skin, dry skin, or even flaky skin. Now, the second serum is the age-defy retinol concentrate. Now, this is perfect for someone who is looking for something anti-aging and at the same time wants to lift their skin and reduce their wrinkles. It contains 2 times retinol concentrate, and it contains a retinoic ester and a retinol ester. Now, the esters are better than just regular retinol because it's less irritating for the skin, but at the same time it's more potent and works even quicker than regular retinol. Most of the people using this particular serum saw a reduction in the wrinkles in just under 4 weeks. On top of that, it's also clinically proven to improve your skin's radiance, reduce skin dullness, and improve your skin's hydration. And around 92% of the people enrolled in the clinical trials that used the retinol concentrate saw their skin being uplifted or improved on, whether it's in terms of skin elasticness or in terms of reduction of their wrinkles. Now, in order to use this particular retinol, make sure you use it once a day. Best is actually to use at night, and once you apply it on the skin, gently rub it on and leave it on your skin throughout the entire night. Now, because of the fact it actually contains retinol esters and retinoic esters, there is actually minimal skin irritation. But definitely do not forget to apply moisturizer right after the retinol, and in the morning, please apply UV protection. Now, this particular serum is great for someone with aging skin or someone who's just looking to maintain their youthful appearance. And this particular retinol serum is also great for people with sensitive skin or people that has previously have negative experience with other retinol serums. So please do give it a try and let me know. Now, that's the end of our video. Let me know in the comments below if you have used Dr Dermis products before, and if you have, which products that you have used, and let me know in the comments what are your reviews or your feedback about them. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and send this video to your family and friends, especially those looking to try Dr Dermis products. That's it from me. I'm Dr Ingky. Always remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed.
Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin, but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.